Create something today, even if it sucks, even if it's a mess. I remember the first time I learned how to build an app. I was a freshman in college, and the professor in my computer science department at my school wanted to host a few workshops to teach people how to build iOS apps from some of the books that he just read. At the time, I didn't have any intention to become a developer, to become a freelancer, to open my own company, my own app, or offer my services. I was just hungry as hell because I want to learn as many skills as I can while I was in school so that one day when I graduate, I might have a decent job. And that was my way out so that I can support my family financially. Having the chance to attend free workshops, I took it and I ran right across the campus, a mile away, just to confirm with the professor that he received my email to his invitation email. It's because I thought that everyone, hundreds of people in my computer science department at the school would have taken the chance. But to my surprise, only 5 people showed up at the first workshop. And 2 weeks later, there's only me and the professor. I know it's a struggle when you want to learn something on your own. There's no certification, there's no degree, there's no credits to fill in your papers, there's no certainty that you are going to make it. Especially when it's hard. It's so hard. At that time, people have this myth that you must have years of programming experience in order to build an app. You must be a ninja programmer. And the professor who taught me initially how to build an app, he was a professor in computer science. He was 30 years in the field. He holds a PhD in computer science. And still, on the first day, after reading all of the books that he read, he wanted to teach me. He spent 3 hours trying to debug a baby app with me. And to my fellow developers and those who want to learn to code and become a developer, or anyone who wants to create something that is an art, be kind to yourself. Allow yourself the time to become great. I mean, when you learn something new, it's okay if it sucks. Be okay with the fact that you are going to suck initially. I'm okay with the fact that I suck at building apps and building websites and building pages initially. I'm okay with the fact that I'm sucking at doing videos like this because I just learned to do it. And as you practice again and again, day in, day out, you will suck less. And on someday, when you suck to the point that you don't suck anymore, you will become better. You will actually become great. And one more thing, remember when I said that I thought that hundreds of people at the computer science department would have taken the chance to learn, but only 5 showed up? I always have to remind myself constantly to stay at it. Don't give up. Enjoy the process. Find something that you can create. Find something that you can do to enjoy this. Either for me is sharing with you what I learned, or create something that others can use, or doing something that can help other businesses or other people with my tech skills. I heard Robin Sharma said that if you want to achieve the results that only 5% have, you must be willing to do and think what only 5% do and think. So today, my friends, go out there and create something, even if it sucks, because you know that this journey is worth it.